What if I told you everything you see, hear, and feel isn't as real as you think? It's not a glitch in the matrix, it's your brain's greatest lie. Right now, your mind is editing reality, bending and filtering your perceptions, showing you only what it deems necessary for your survival. Welcome to Curious Universe, where we explore the deepest mysteries of the mind and the cosmos. Today, we're uncovering how your brain shapes reality, why it does so, and how understanding this could truly change everything. Your brain doesn't merely show you the world, it constructs it. Consider color. That yellow you see isn't out there in the environment. It's how your brain interprets specific wavelengths of light. Think about optical illusions. They're not just party tricks, they're glimpses into how easily our minds can be fooled. The reality you perceive is the version your brain believes you need, not the full picture of what's actually there. But vision isn't the only way we distort reality. Your thoughts are equally vulnerable to shortcuts called cognitive biases. These mental hacks evolved to help us make quick decisions, but they can warp our understanding of the world. Confirmation bias nudges us to favor evidence that supports our existing beliefs. Anchoring locks us onto the first piece of information we encounter. These biases shape everyday choices, like how we spend money, form opinions, and judge other people. Our senses are shockingly limited. You see just a tiny sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum, visible light, while infrared, ultraviolet, and X-rays remain invisible. Similar gaps apply to hearing and even smell. In truth, your experience of the universe is a minuscule fraction of what truly exists. We miss entire layers of reality simply because our biology wasn't equipped to detect them. So why is our perception so incomplete? The answer: evolution. Our ancestors didn't need to decode ultraviolet light or grasp quantum mechanics. They just needed to spot predators, find food, and reproduce. The brain evolved for practicality, not accuracy. It prioritizes speed and simplicity over a perfect understanding of reality. This streamlined approach helped our species survive, even if it meant warping the truth. The brain's trickery doesn't end with sight and thought. It also edits who you think you are. Memory illusions are so common that eyewitness testimonies often contradict each other. Each time you recall a memory, you subtly rewrite it. Meanwhile, your sense of self, your very identity, is a mental construction updated moment by moment. These illusions of memory and self can drive our emotions, relationships, and life choices more than we realize. So, are we doomed to remain blind to reality's fullness? Not necessarily. Through mindfulness practices, we can slow down and notice cognitive biases, challenging the illusions they create. Technology also lifts the veil. Telescopes peer into cosmic mysteries, microscopes unveil hidden microworlds, and augmented reality can layer entire new dimensions onto everyday life. These tools let us peek beyond our evolutionary limits, expanding our perception of what's really out there. Your brain's greatest lie is also its greatest gift. By simplifying reality, it helps you survive. But now that you understand these illusions, you can take the next step, questioning what you see, think, and remember. Challenge your biases, embrace technology to stretch your senses, and cultivate self-awareness. Recognizing the lie is often the first step to unveiling deeper truths about yourself and the universe. If this journey into your brain's hidden illusions intrigued you, spread the insight. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Curious Universe for more mind-expanding explorations. Together, let's push beyond our biological limits and discover the astounding realities waiting just beyond the lies we tell ourselves. Yes, your brain deceives you, but that's not a curse. It's a starting point for wonder, curiosity, and progress. By asking why we see what we see, we open ourselves to awe and discovery. Because the moment you realize your reality is a construct, is the moment you can begin to reconstruct it on your own terms. And that changes everything.